Smart Prop Trader Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how accessible prop trading has become in 2025. Smart Prop Trader offers training, capital funding, and risk management tools for aspiring traders, but is it right for you? Smart Prop Trader allows users to practice strategies in demo accounts, progress to funded accounts, and access educational resources. The surprising truth is opportunity. Most people get this wrong by thinking proprietary trading is only for experienced professionals. Smart Prop Trader provides structured programs to learn and trade with real capital. Another advantage is risk management. You won't believe what happens next when you see built-in guidelines for position sizing, stop losses, and performance tracking, which help protect both traders and capital. This is ideal for disciplined learners seeking professional-style trading experience. However, cons exist. Entry programs may require fees, and performance criteria can be strict. Not all markets may be accessible, and beginners may feel pressure adjusting to real trading conditions. In conclusion, Smart Prop Trader in 2025 is perfect for motivated traders wanting education, capital access, and structured risk management. While not risk-free, it offers a path from learning to live trading that is realistic and supported. For casual traders, alternatives may be simpler, but for serious learners, its platform is strong.